Now, Muslim faithful in Ogun State as well joined millions across the world to celebrate Eid-El-KABIR with prayers and thanksgiving. At the Lantoro Prayer Ground in Abiodun, thousands of worshippers, including the Chief Imam of Egbaland, Alhaji Adala Bangbola, Governor Abiodun, and other dignitaries gathered to observe the 2 Rakat Eid prayer. Speaking through Senator Shuaibu Salisu, who represented him at the event, Governor Abiodun urged Muslims to continue praying for the peace, unity and progress of Nigeria as the country gradually approaches the 2027 general election. The governor also appealed to Nigerians to pray for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and his administration, while stressing the importance of parental responsibility in raising morally upright children. Senator Salisu, who represents Ogun Central Senatorial District, emphasized the need for citizens to remain united and hopeful for a better Nigeria.
We request you to pray for our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR to have a successful re-election, and indeed for all those who are fighting for one position or the other in Ogun State, that the election will be peaceful, the country will not go into war, the country will not be divided, the country will be united before, during and after the election. All parents and guardians, let's use the occasion of the Children's Day that has coincided with this EID-EL-KABIR to be mindful of our duties to our children.